Hello, my name is Uday Purohit. Shipping is under great pressure to reduce its carbon footprints. Almost 3% of the global emissions come from shipping. And IMO, the International Maritime Organization, has made a commitment that by 2050, shipping will reduce its emissions by 50% as compared to 2008 levels. Lithium-ion batteries are therefore a good alternative to burning residual fuels commonly known as heavy fuel oil. Therefore, the news last week that the first Japanese tanker powered by lithium-ion batteries caused a great amount of excitement. The vessel will be launched next year. It should be coasting the Japanese islands. It's powered by a battery pack with a 3.5 megawatt hour lithium-ion battery, which is equivalent to about 40 Tesla S car battery packs. Talking of the Tesla, it is the boom in the car industry that has lowered battery prices considerably. From $670 per kilowatt hour in 2013, battery prices were about $140 last year and are further expected to head south. These batteries are scentless, noise-free, and ensure zero environmental emissions. So are batteries the solution as we go ahead? Can ocean-going vessels rely solely on lithium-ion batteries? With current technology, the answer seems to be no. It will have to be complemented by something like fuel cells, because having huge banks of batteries may not leave enough space to carry cargo. Recycling is another area of concern. Currently, the process is neither benign, environmentally I mean, nor is it profitable. And unless both these issues are tackled, it is not enough incentive for the recyclers. There is scarcity in battery manufacturing capacities. This is mainly due to the boom in the automotive sector. And finally, there are some safety concerns as well. Safety concerns from thermal runaway when these battery banks are exposed to high temperatures and humidity. This could be a significant risk to the crew on board the vessel. All in all, a move in the right direction. We'll hear a lot more about lithium-ion batteries in the coming days. Coastal vessels will certainly move to batteries. IMO will encourage this move. Thank you.